Cross the road.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
To
escape from the butchers.
There's chickens in front of us.
Where? We're up 8,000 feet elevation. It says we're 42 miles from Lake Tahoe. We made it. This is where we're gonna be. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she goes. Look at that snow. I feel like we can touch the sky. I could go twice as high. Take a look. Stand up. Oh, so nice. Jacket, but I have. We made it. We just arrived. We're going to the restroom. Found it.
Oh, there's 408.
I don't ever remember if I've had a Reuben before, but it says it's sliced corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, Thousand Island dressing, and toasted rye bread. A Reuben. Right here.
Do you want a bag for this? Or?
For the snow on the mountains.
How's the exercise?
Snow. Stopping here to get bait for fishing. It is pretty over here. They got boats for rent.
We could check.
So I lost a few pounds on this camping trip. This is a hiking trail, and up at the top you can fish. So here we go. Let's take the walk. And we're walking. I'm walking, and I'm carrying the chair that I'm gonna sit in. I was a little winded when I got up to the top of the hill, but it was a good walk. It was a beautiful sight to see when I got to the top. My mom was sitting there baiting her fishing pole and my daughter's fishing pole, and they were getting ready to go fishing. The mountains, the water was just beautiful to take in. Here goes my daughter casting. My daughter's pole was all baited, and she was ready to catch some fish. I didn't realize I was filming it in slow motion, but I guess it was better because you can see that she is a work in progress. She's getting better and better as time goes on and she gets older. But she did have a great time. Her line did get tangled in a bush or a tree. You see that beautiful butterfly? Now we're gonna play some rounds of horseshoes. I don't think I've ever really played, and this was my daughter's first time playing, and she had a good time. The camping resort where we were at, they play horseshoes for a competition, so they just had these out there and anybody could play, and just a friendly competition with my daughter.
Good.
And I was so excited that I got one. I got one. I got one. Bring around the rosy. I got one. Yeah, third time was a charm. That's all I need. We are camping in the RV. You need help, Mom? Hello, love. Summer break. We have an RV for the summer. My little cubby space in the RV. And I have only wore mascara today. And I'm cleaning my face with the baby wipes, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Obviously, see I have my mouth clip on and my bonnet, so it's bedtime. Then in the morning we'll do a get ready. I'll film my get ready with me in the RV because tomorrow's the last day in this. Friday, we left Friday morning and we spent all day today, Saturday, and we're clean up and pack up tomorrow, Sunday, and return the RV because it's rented. We don't own it anymore. So, yeah. Get ready with me in the RV bathroom. What's going on?
Your mom.
This is awesome lip oil lipstick type pen. It's one of my favorites. Of course, we got the travel size Body Clay pumpkin cupcake. Body Clay. I'm almost out. And get those elbows. Body Clay smells so good. Put my heart necklace. It's very pretty. Got it from the TikTok shop as well. Ready to head out to play some cornhole. Person point of view. I filmed myself and got it in. I got skills and I'm filming myself. First person point of view. I just challenged myself even more to film myself. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah! Yes! Got that. Oh, okay. Beautiful horse. Hello. Blue Lake. Right on the water. Yeah. We are at Blue Lake and it is beautiful. Sounds like Jurassic Park out there.
And we are super close to right now.
Borderline Nevada. We're close to Nevada.
Yeah, so we are right
We're right on the water. Yeah. Right on the water. Yeah. Excuse me.
Hopefully there's no.
Beautiful, beautiful. I'm grateful. God, show them how it's done. Good job. The water's calling me. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Look at the little fishies. Here they come.
Put up in the air.
You're proud of your line? They're right by my tootsies.
I can't tell if it's stuck to the ground or something.
There's little tadpoles in there. I really love the craftsmanship of the